In this video, I am going to discuss about the Tata Motors. So let's discuss about the Tata Motors for a long-term point, long-term perspective. What should be your strategy? Is Tata Motors will provide you the multi-bagger return in the next coming years? So definitely this video will be helpful. Okay. So before understanding these things, we will do the fundamental analysis first. Then you will understand. We will understand that what should be our action point. Okay, so is it a good time to invest in the Tata Motors or what we have to do? Okay, so first do the fundamental analysis. So look at the market cap. The market cap is that 1,14,845 crore, but debt 1,15,374 crore. It means that debt is huge. There is a huge debt. It means that you can consider this is a negative point. You can mark a negative on that note. Profit growth. If you notice the profit growth, here it is in the negative. Again, in the negative, it shows that negativity. Okay, so these two things is the profit growth and the debt is huge, and this is a negative point. No need to forget about it. Now, dividend, is they are providing dividend? No, they are not providing dividend. Tata Motors are not providing dividend. Why? Because they are not earning a profit. Profit growth is in negative. That's why the dividend yield is 0.00%. So again, this is a negative point. Okay, now please watch this video till the end so that you will get a clear picture about it. Okay, let's look at the book value. The book value is that 152, but the current price is that 325. It means from the book value the double, almost double. So it's okay, because most of the stock having 17 times, 30 times, or maybe 50 times their price point from the book value. So it's okay. Okay, so you can say it's not a much more positive, because as per the debt or profit growth, you can consider that it should be around the book value, but it's okay. It's maybe in the future perspective people are interested. Now promoter holding is 46.4%. It means around 50%. It means it's also good. It's okay. Okay, so let's discuss the another thing. Let's discuss the graph as well. So if you look at the graph, the moving average, the 20 days, 200 days moving average or 50-day moving average, you can notice that current price is more than that 50-day moving average or 200-day moving average. Okay, so this is also at the current scenario, the price is much more higher. But you can notice here the huge volume. You can notice here there is a huge volume, and after that the price is increasing in this manner. In the recent days, you are noticing in the recent days there is a huge rally in the stock price of Tata Motors. Why? You have to understand these things. So let's find out the reason why people are much more interested, why investor is much more interested in the Tata Motors. Because as you have seen that at the current scenario, fundamentally not such a strong stock, but still people are much more interested to buy this stock. Why? What is the reason behind it, and what will be your action point? You also need to understand. So the pros is that promoter holding has increased by 4.02% over last quarter. So that's the positive point. It means that promoter holding increased their stake with the 4.02% over last quarter. That's a positive sign. Why? Because promoter having the trust that maybe in the coming years this stock can be provided a multi-bagger return. Because if now in the current scenario the Tata Motors is not fundamentally strong, but if this will become fundamentally strong in the next or maybe in the coming year, then the price point will be at the saturation level. Nowadays it is undervalued. So people are predicting the future, and the response of the people, due to the future perspective, the stock price is increasing. Why stock price is increasing? Because people are, or investor are predicting the future. That's why, because now it is a not such a strong stock, but still in the coming year, or the Tata Motors can provide, can be a multi-bagger. Why? Because they announced that they will manufacture the electrical vehicle. In the race of the electrical vehicle, definitely Tata Motors can be a number one. Okay, so Tata Motors having all the manufacturing unique and all the experience, definitely because of the brand as well. You can look at the name, the Tata. All these things are suggesting that if the next era will become in the next coming year, the Tata Motor electrical vehicle will come in the picture, then Tata Motor will get a good advantage. That's why people are interested to buy this stock, and almost you can say in the next in in the past 3 to 4 months, almost the price is doubled in the Tata Motors. Why? Because of these things. People are predicting the future. That's why the price is increasing like a rocket. So that's a good sign that promoter is increasing their stake. That's good. Now let's look at another scenario as well. Okay, now if you consider their competitor, it's also understand their competitor, then you can notice that Tata Motors at the number one. That's the positive thing. That because automobile sector is struggling, that's why because this sector is struggling, so all this stock, all these companies is struggling. Okay, but since in the next years or next coming years, the Tata Motors is manufacturing the electrical vehicle. If electrical vehicle will come in the picture, the Tata Motors will get a good advantage. And since Tata Motors is number one in their sector, that's why you should consider to invest in the Tata Motors, because at this price of point, the current price is or fundamentally not such strong. Tata Motors, okay, so current price is very less. If the Tata Motor will manufacture the electrical vehicle, and the price point, or they will earn a good profit, then at that time we will invest. Then maybe at that time the stock price will be at the saturation. But nowadays it is more than only double their book value. It means they still you have a chance to buy a stock, because this stock have a good future to multiply or provide you the multi-bagger return. Okay, so again you have a chance to buy this stock now. No need to wait that when the Tata Motor will get a good profit, then you should buy. Then at that time you may be a late. So at this price point, at this moment, you can consider to buy this stock, Tata Motors, because of their future. The future perspective you can consider. So Tata Motors is a number one in their sector. The promoter is in increase their stake. So this is the good advantage. And now, as per the news, they have a huge potential to develop or manufacture the electrical vehicle. Now let's see the another thing as well. So compounded profit growth is, again you can notice in the minus, we already discussed. Or stock price CAGR in the 1 year 185, that's huge because of these things. This is speculation. The Tata Motors is increasing their price, the price is increasing because of this. So this is like increasing like a rocket because of the future perspective. Okay, so let's see the shareholding pattern. As per the shareholding pattern, the promoter is having the 42%, government 0.16, public is much more interested here. So also this is a negative point, because generally it's happening, if public is much more interested, then that stock is will not perform well. But this is not a scenario with the Tata Motors, because Tata Motors is again a good company, and Tata having the Tata brand is also it's a good thing. And not only that, you also know that the Tata core business is the motors, steel, like that. So since Tata uh, having the core business of motors or in the automobile sector or in the steel sector, like that, so you can consider that there is a huge potential in the next coming years. That's why their price is increasing or increasing like a rocket. Okay, so at this point you understand that Tata Motors is a good stock and you can buy this stock, because at the current point still, if in the future the Tata Motor will be bigger, then still you have a good chance to buy, because the Tata Motors having the advantage to develop or manufacture the electrical vehicle. Okay, so now you understand about these things. You also know that the Tata Motors is a part of the Nifty 50, so that's also a positive thing. Since the Tata Motors is the part of the Nifty 50, you can consider a good thing, or you can invest in the Tata Motors without any fear. Okay, apart from the Tata Motors, their business is in other sector as well, and they are earning the good profit. So they can also reduce the debt, because in the recent days the news was that they want to reduce the debt. So since other sector is earning well and performing well, so money can flow from that sector to Tata Motors as well, because as you know that TCA is having the uh, promoter holding 72%, and they are providing the dividend. So if they will providing the dividend, then the promoter will get much more dividend, because their stake is 72%. So in this way money can flow from, or there was other many other way that money can flow from the another sector to the uh, one sector to another sector. Okay, so you can consider that Tata Motors is still have a good potential to grow, or if this will grow, then your money can be a double, or you can be a, this stock can be provide you the multi-bagger return. Okay, so now you understand that you should invest now. Let's discuss the technical analysis, and we will decide that is it what will be the right time to invest. So at the current scenario, you can notice that RSI value is 55 around. It means still you have a chance to buy this stock, because this is not a oversold zone. So still you have a chance to buy. If you will buy this stock on the 8th, suppose here is the 8/3/2021 on the Monday, then you can buy at this level as well at a price point of 326. But before that you should understand what is the sentiment of the people on the on Monday. If the positive sentiment, then the price will be going up. If the price will go up, then you can buy this stock. And if the negative sentiment, if the Nifty Sensex is in the negative, people having the negative sentiment, if this is the case, then you need to wait to the fall this price. Okay, so it means that when the price will reach to 300 around, then you can also that will be a good time to buy. You can consider a good time to buy. So let's see what is the people sentiment. If the people sentiment is positive, you can buy at this level as well, or maybe if the price will go up little bit, then you can also buy. But if the negative sentiment, then you need to wait to fall much more, little bit more. If there will be a fall, because why, as you know that in the recent they share their result. As per the result, they still have it still doesn't have a much profit growth. Okay, so that's the reason price is falling. So let's see how much price is correcting. If they will correct to, will move to the 300 something, around 300, then you can buy. Otherwise if the negative sentiment, then you need to wait to fall much more, or maybe a 300 level. If you will get a 305 and that level, then it's good. If not, then it's okay. You can also consider this is the good time to buy. because at this price point still you can get a multi-bagger return, and in the short term as well you can get a positive return, or you will look at the portfolio, you will get a positive return from the Tata Motors. So that's why at the short term as well you have to buy at a good level, maybe 300, or if the positive sentiment, then 330 is also a good level. So I hope you understand about the Tata Motors, what you have to do on the 8/3/2021 for a long term. It's a good stock, I already discussed, and this stock have a potential to provide you the multi-bagger return. And since the name Tata, you no need to fear that, because Tata is a good trust or on the people, so you can believe on the Tata stock. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you face any problem related to this, then please let us know. Thank you for your support.